In this video, I'll show you how to use colors and open iconic icons in your plant UML diagrams. Now, colors are used to uh, basically add some sort of like a visual components within your plant UML diagram to make it look more pretty attractive, or maybe to make the diagram look more significant. Open iconic icons basically are used to add those kind of like a visual icon within your plant UML diagram to signify some more important activity within your diagram. So be it a state diagram, be it is a use case diagram or a component diagram or any diagram for a for your activity. Now I'm in Visual Studio Code over here. In Visual Studio Code, I have installed the Plant UML extension. So if you haven't installed, you install the Plant UML extension. Make sure that your machine has Java if you want to run this on the server. And now, yes, once you do that, what we will do, we'll create a file, and here we will call it as. So this one is open iconic. So I'll call it as openiconic.puml. Now we start the plant UML diagram with a simple syntax start UML. So if you don't know the syntax, you can just type in start UML, put a tab, and then it will automatically write start UML and end UML. Just tab it out, and then you can name whatever name you want. So I'll just call it as open iconic. Now here in Open Iconic, if you want to see what all different icons are available for you to use, you can make use of a statement list open iconic, and just do a right click, preview the current diagram. So it should list down all the open iconic icons which you can uh, use within your system. So if it doesn't display, what I would advise is just have a look into the code. It says, oh, there is error found in diagram open iconic. Maybe I'll just remove the space, maybe preview the current diagram again. And you should see whether you have written the syntax correct or not. List open iconic. And after some time, it should list down all the open iconic icon which we have. Now, if you want to see more information about use iconic.com, go to this URL and then start exploring about different icons. Now, as you see over here, you can use credit card, calendar, camera, circle, clipboard. There are so many icons which you can use. So let's pick up a couple of icons. So I'm going to use maybe a pie chart, maybe a bar chart, and uh, and there are other options like browser, brush, bug. So let's use browser, brush, bug. Okay, now how do we use this kind of an icon? I'll show you in a while. But other topic which you're going to cover over here is the colors. Now if you want to know different colors, I will just type in colors and preview it. So this will list down all the colors, all the different colors which you can use within your system. Now we are going to use a combination of open iconic and colors. Now these are the different colors which are available for you to use in your plant UML diagram. Now, some of the colors are very common like red, green, blue, gray, those kind of things. But then you have some other colors like hot pink, Indian red, dark orange, dark orchid, pale turquoise, Peru, plum, slate blue. So you should be aware about this particular text because we are going to use these kind of colors within our application. Now we know about open iconic, we know about colors. Let's start building the plant UML diagram. So in order to write a simple diagram, first let's maybe create a simple class. I'll just call class as say maybe Wi-Fi, and I will uh, put a note to the left, and I will just end the note, and I will just say click on Wi-Fi. So this is a simple note, this is a simple class. Preview current diagram, and you should have a class, you should have a note to the left, and with that word click on Wi-Fi. Now as you see over here, we have just used this Wi-Fi as a text, but what if I want to use an open iconic icon? So we know the syntax, like the name is Wi-Fi, W-I-F-I. Now you need to enclose this with angle bracket and prefix it with ampersand. So that's the syntax. You preview the current diagram, and now instead of the text, you should see an icon of specific thing which you have mentioned, like which is Wi-Fi. Now, as you see, you can see this Wi-Fi icon over here. Like that, you can even use this in the Plant UML title. So let's assume this is the title. So you can just say, "Welcome to Plant UML tutorial," and maybe I just want to put a iconic. So I told you the syntax: angle bracket, ampersand, close angle bracket, and put whatever name you can recall from that list. I'll just put heart, excuse me, and you should be able to see a heart in the top bar as a title, like as you see over here, title. Now, other things which you can do is you can add a size, like if you want that heart to be much bigger. So maybe I'll just say put size, and maybe I'll just put size as 120. I'm just putting some numbers. Okay. Preview the current diagram. So you can first you start looking into rendering the icon, which we have seen how to render by putting angle bracket and ampersand. And now we have just added a size. Now size is 120. Now, remember, like I showed you that we can also put a color. Now, color, so angle bracket, color, and maybe red, and we can just preview it. So we have seen the size. We can increase the size of open iconic icon, and now we will be seeing how we can convert that into a red color. So yes, can we use a combination of both? So let's find that out. So we have color red, and maybe size colon. We'll not make it big. Just make it 60, half a size of the title icon, and we should be able to see a combination of the color and the size. So as you see, the color and the size for this Wi-Fi icon. So you can uh, do whole bunch of things. You can now you have an option whether you can close the tag of size or color, or maybe you can leave it as it is. There are other things which you can put. Like I'll just show you some couple of other items which you can put. Maybe ampersand, caret, right, which you may encounter this while building into the diagram. So ampersand caret hyphen right. So that's the one thing which you can use. And there are other things. If you want to get it from the list, you can get it from the list. Uh, like you have this menu. So ampersand menu and closes. So you may use these kind of things within your diagram. Like it's a carrot right, and then you have a like a hamburger kind of a menu, or maybe a bar chart, or maybe a pie chart. Like if you see this hamburger kind of a menu, so you can use that. Remember, this should be only used within a text. Okay, so like if you have a note to write, or maybe I'll just say note and end note. Let's see if that pulls that out. This is a simple note. Now, sometimes you need to be very careful because now this note has a linkages with this class. And now if you write an additional note, it may not like that. Okay. So it says that, oh, there is some error within line number 12. So you cannot directly use that because it has some linkages with the class over here. Now, what we can do is like, I'll just remove this note completely altogether. I just wanted to show you that, like you cannot use everything within the code base, but you need to write a separate statement. Like say, if I say Alice has a link with Bob, okay, and then maybe I'll just say return. Bob has link with Alice. and maybe it's a dotted line. And here you can just say hello, and here you can write ampersand bar chart. Here I'll just say right, send me ampersand pie chart, and you can preview the diagram. So you this uh, open iconic icon should be used in a text way, like we have a title, we have something on the note, and we have something on the linkages. Now as you see over here, send me a pie chart and hello bar chart. So as you see, this icon appears. And now again, you can also put a color over here as well. So you can just put color as pink, or maybe any other color which was there in that color palette. And you can even increase the size here as well. So maybe I'll just put as 32, and we just save this and and once we preview this, you can see the output over here with Bob to Alice, send me the bar chart, send me the pie chart, and Alice to Bob is hello bar chart. Now you can use a combination of colors, you can use a combination of the increase of the size, so all these things can be done. Now that's it, folks. This is all about how you can use open iconic icons within your plant UML diagram, along with a combination of colors and size, so that you can basically adjust to any form of diagram with a simple look and feel. Use of colors, use of icons make your make your diagram look more appealing. So that's it. Thanks for watching.